Beauty doesn't fade with time, it only deepens. Imagine mastering hairstyles that exude elegance, radiate grace, and boost confidence and enhance beauty because every woman deserves to feel flawless no matter her age. If you struggle to achieve timeless grace with hairstyles, this video is for you. Join us for a beginner's guide to elegant and easy hairstyles, so the next time you stand in front of the mirror, the struggle is not about the lack of hairstyles, but choosing which one to wear. Without further ado, let's dive in. Number 8. The Sleek Hollywood Waves. Sleek Hollywood waves are among the most chic and timeless hairstyles for short and long hair. This elegant and versatile hairstyle can serve as the epitome of class for women of all ages. However, sleek and minimalist waves are no less statements in various settings, especially for aging women. We have so many reasons for that. Take a moment to endure the gorgeous Kate Middleton's timeless personality in this chic hairstyle. She looks no less than the most effortlessly classy woman in these waves curled to perfection. Hollywood waves are sound for another reason as well. This hairstyle looks flattering on aging skin, bringing an instant glow and youthful feel to the personal style. It makes the personality look more charismatic and royal with just the power of the right hairstyle. The sleek, wavy strands fall gracefully along the face, contouring the facial cuts and making you look instantly polished. Also, its versatility makes it suitable for occasions ranging from professional settings to informal gatherings and more. These sleek Hollywood waves look chic on all attires, including denim, tailored blazers, wide-leg pants, and even party gowns in fabrics like silk or satin. Number 7. Old Money Hairstyle. Here's a classic yet chic hairstyle that screams elegance without words. The timeless old money style. Timeless old money hairstyle embodies sophistication, elegance, and understated luxury, reflecting a classic and refined sense of style with a blend of modern fashion standards. For aging women, this hairstyle is all about embracing hair that exudes grace and maturity while maintaining an air of quiet confidence. We are talking about voluminous, stylish, flattering, and the actual old money hairstyle that knows no boundaries and can always stand the test of time. Again, the old money hairstyle is versatile and offers several styling options for various occasions. In addition to making a statement with casual attire, this chic hairstyle is a game changer with work casual outfits, dinner attire, and informal dress-ups. Think of chic, voluminous, and classic hair styled perfectly. The goal is a hairstyle that feels effortless but is carefully executed, free of stray hairs or anything too fussy. Number 6. The French Twist. Royal by name, the French Twist shares a long journey of timeless elegance and versatile styling. Think of a refined French twist or a low, sleek bun with the hair pulled back neatly from the face. This hairstyle offers practicality and elegance at the same time, enabling you to do chores without any disturbance of adjusting your hair repeatedly. Put your hair in a chic French twist neatly to smooth the day. For a better styling experience, try keeping it soft, loose, and voluminous. This sophisticated updo never goes out of style and is perfect for formal events, weddings, or simply when you want to elevate your everyday look with a touch of class. A master tip is to style this with a chic dress or a maxi and flowy fabric. Trust me, you will feel like a member who originally belonged to the royals. It is one of a few classic hairstyles that has been a favorite among women of a particular class. The royals embraced it, and the queens, princesses, and other classy women from history had this French twist at the top of their hairdo lists. This hairstyle remains a timeless choice even today. For parties or holiday looks, you can add excitement to this hairstyle by adding ornamentations, fancy pins, or chic hair accessories, and let your hairstyle speak volumes in the event. Number 5. The Sleek Lower Bun. Have you ever wondered just how the stunning 63-year-old Julianne Moore keeps the elegance in her style? Her clothing is a remarkable piece of statement, and her hairdos are even done with more attention and detail. Take a moment to embrace the sleek lower bun she wears in numerous settings. Look how she defines herself, wrapped in grace and timeless elegance with her chic hairstyle. A low, sleek bun at the nape of the neck is an elegant, refined choice. It's ideal for a formal occasion or for those seeking a neat, sophisticated style. The simplicity of the low bun allows for a polished, graceful appearance while creating a seamless blend of elegance, practicality, and simplicity. This chic hairdo perfectly balances all the highlighted things in one's attire. More is obsessed with put-together, minimalist, and sleek low buns as they offer elegance, functionality, and professionalism with every outfit. Most of the time, she is seen wearing this chic hairstyle with off-the-shoulder dresses and tailored blazers. Here's a pro tip. A low bun looks exceptional with natural and soft makeup. It is also the best option for ladies with oval, rectangular, or even round faces. This hairstyle creates a natural contour, giving your face a defined structure that makes you look fresh and more youthful. Number 5. Half up, half down. Another timeless hairstyle for an instant glow-up is a half-up, half-down style, where you pick a portion of your hair and tie it in a bun while leaving the lower portion open and flowy. This versatile style combines the best of both worlds, keeping hair out of your face while still showing off length and texture. Add a few curls or waves for a more polished look. It's a two-in-one style offering both functionality and styling, where you get stylish open hair to let the waves flow, and you also tie a portion to make them look put together with no hassle of adjusting your hair again and again. With this beautiful hairstyle, you can focus on your task while still keeping a stylish hairstyle. For aging women, try to follow a few valuable tricks while going for this hairstyle. First, try to keep the tied portion loose and voluminous to add texture. It also helps make your skin look youthful, fresh, and below your age, as the voluminous hairstyle adds more interest to your style. A sleek and snatched bun can make your facial structures more prominent, highlighting most aging factors, but that's not a good option. To avoid such mistakes, try to keep a volume in the hair no matter which style you choose for the day. Number 3. Short length. Besides the best styled hair, short length hair serves a purpose for aging women, and this purpose is even greater than mere fashion. When a short haircut looks chic, it is easy to carry, style, and handle. I recall a famous saying here: the longer the hair is, the bigger the mess is, and the tougher it is to handle it. As we age, we are always looking for something that is easy, go-to, and elegant at the same time. The short haircut style is just one of that. Chic, stylish, and quick to style, short hair is the best option for ladies who prefer a go-to lifestyle that is quick and easy without compromising elegance. You get so many options among short haircuts. For instance, a classic pixie cut is a chic, low-maintenance choice that can highlight your facial features such as your eyes and cheekbones. It offers a youthful yet refined look when styled with soft layers or texture. A well-executed short-length haircut creates a modern, timeless vibe that exudes confidence and elegance. Number 2. Curtain bangs. Another chic and elegant choice is the timeless style that shouts class inside the royal wall. Curtain bangs have remained a gesture of loyal ladies for ages, and even today, royal women are obsessed with styling these in the most elegant ways. We have the stunning Princess of Wales, Kate Middleton, who is often spotted elegantly styled in her chic curtain bangs. She doesn't only style these chic bangs, but carries them with grace and indescribable elegance. These are not just a hairstyle, but a trick to give your face a shape, depth, and structure that ultimately makes you look younger. Unlike blunt bangs that can sometimes feel harsh, curtain bangs create a soft frame around the face. This gentle framing enhances the face's natural contours, bringing attention to your eyes and cheekbones without looking overly youthful or trendy. For women over 50, this style feels sophisticated and mature without compromising on freshness and timeless grace. These do not look over in any setting. Instead, they serve a purpose in any look and possess the power to mold into a statement, depending on the occasion. Curtain bangs are relatively low maintenance compared to other types of bangs. They naturally blend into the rest of your hair, so you don't need to worry about frequent trims or styling. Their timeless appeal makes them perfect for women who want a classic and contemporary style. Number 1. Layered cut. The layered cut is famous for its voluminous, flowy, and facial framing features. That's what we ladies look for, especially in our aging years. As we age, hair often becomes thinner and may lose some of its natural volume. Layered cuts can create the illusion of fuller, more voluminous hair by adding texture and depth. This is particularly beneficial for women with fine or thinning hair, as layers lift the hair and give it body, making it appear thicker and healthier. Medium-length layered cut is a chic choice for those looking to keep a subtle hairstyle that is chic, classic, and go-to for any look. Though layers require styling to properly take the most out of them, you can get a cut that adds natural volume to the hair and keeps the elegance and timeless grace of your hair. One of the great things about layered cuts is how customizable they are to suit any face shape. Layers can be strategically placed to elongate a round face, soften a square jawline, or accentuate cheekbones. Here we have a few helpful hairstyling tips for aging women. Which of these is your favorite hairstyle? We would love to know in the comments below. Making this far in the video is your sign to watch our guide on 12 things high-class, elegant women never wear. Unlock the secrets to timeless elegance by removing these things from your life. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the following video.